In this video, I will tell you 4 very special, powerful techniques on the clitoris that not many people talk about. They can take a woman to a totally new level and sexual energy and orgasmicity. This is from my experience of working with women for 20 years. But of course, always remember that there is no technique that works for everybody. We're just always talking in terms of this might work for a lot of people, and you always need to adjust to your partner and communicate with them how to adjust the technique for them. Always goes without saying. So I'm not going to be using any pictures in this video. I'm sorry, you just have no idea how stressful it is to run a channel on sex. Any kind of picture can just delete my whole channel. So 2 fingers, these are the vaginal lips, this is the clitoris. Simple to understand. If you need a picture, there's plenty of them online, you know where everything is. So the super powerful technique on the clitoris, number 1. Before you touch the clitoris itself, you stimulate the vaginal lips, and the best way to do it is with 2 different movements in this order. First, you do some light brushing, just with the fingertips running on the surface of the lips. Secondly, you then progress to a more deep massage with a bit of pressure, really massaging into the lips on both sides. This technique can be used with fingers, can also be used with oral sex. With oral sex, basically your tongue brushes really lightly, then you are doing it more firmly on the lips. 1 lip at a time in that case, because you've got 2 fingers, not 2 tongues. Now this will change everything. What is happening here? The clitoris is not just the head. As you know, it has clitoral legs that extend into the vaginal lips, and they are sensitive as well. They're part of the organ. Well, the light brushing activates all the nerve endings and makes the nerves a lot more sensitive, able to feel a lot more pleasure. Then the firm kind of massage movement into the lips actually stimulates the clitoral organ in the same way as you would stimulate the head or you would stimulate the penis. So you are basically arousing the actual organ. So you've got this combination of really awakening the sensitivity of the nerves and arousing the organ. So you have just activated a massive amount of sensitivity before you even move on to touching the clitoral head. Everything you do from now on is going to give her a lot more pleasure, a lot more sensation, a lot more sexual energy, because you have awakened the area a lot more before you started. Whenever I teach people in the workshop, every single woman has always said that this is the part that feels really special and really nice to her. For many, many workshops that I've done many years back now, every single woman has said that. The super powerful technique on the clitoris, number 2. The clitoral head, running circles around the clitoris head. Now, I know that this is a familiar technique. You've seen it in other places as well, but there is a difference in a few things that you can change there that will take it from just an average technique to a really powerful advanced technique that will take it to a totally different level. So this technique, I would not use it with a finger. I would only use it with oral. Technically, you could do it with a finger, but it's going to be very difficult for you to have that control. You're probably going to hurt her instead, so use your tongue with this technique. Just a few optimizations. First of all, when you are doing circles around the clitoris, don't do them on the clitoris, do them around the clitoris, make it slow, and make sure that your tongue is like a strong muscle that is pushing the clitoris around. It's like flipping the clitoris around. Slow but firm. This has the potential to give a woman a really intense sensation and escalate from there quite quickly. In fact, this particular technique, out of all, is the most likely one to bring her fast to close to a climax, given that all women are different, of course. You can accelerate a little bit if you feel that she is really aroused, she's breathing, she's moving, so you can start moving a little bit faster, but resist the temptation to go fast. Slow but really muscular and firm is more intense. Now, the third super powerful technique on the clitoris is very simple, and that is what's so cool about it, because it's still very powerful. You just need to hold her down there with a lot of pressure. So vaginal lips, the clitoris, you put your whole hand on it, make sure there is good wrapping around contact on all of it, and you use a lot of pressure. There are 2 ways of doing it. Either you're just holding it statically and you're kind of like pressing into that area, pressing into her body. Sometimes you can do a little bit of vibration as well. That feels really nice. The other thing you can do that's also really, really nice is you can move. So you keep it under pressure and you move all the way down, sliding through her and sliding back out through everything on your way with good pressure. So here you're just activating that whole area, the whole clitoris, the legs, the head, everything at the same time. At the same time, everything is shooting, into her with very strong sensation that your pressure provides. So it could be a really strong, ongoing flow of sexual energy. Plus, she feels, held by you. It's a little bit dominant, a little bit like, holding, nurturing feeling. So a really nice mix of turn on and being held by you and being handled by you and letting go into you. Be creative with that technique. It can be done in different positions, from behind, from the front, etc. And later in the process, you can use it with a lot more pressure for a much more intense sexual energy. Also, sometimes if you have struggled to find the clitoris and you go into a bit of a panic, that's a really simple and effective thing to go to as well. Now, before we move on to the last ultimate special technique on the clitoris, just to quickly mention, if you would like to learn techniques for all other areas of her body, like her breasts, her vagina, for all parts of sex, the foreplay, the intercourse, the oral, then all of that is laid out in a very detailed way in my full online program for men, The Perfect Lover. So the ultimate technique on the clitoris, I always have maintained and always will, and I've spoken about this before, is pressure. Pressure on the clitoris, on the exposed part of the clitoris. So the technique of pressure is actually not a simple technique, it is a skill that you get better at intuitively. As a lover, you learn how to feel the technique of pressure and you learn how to play with it in different ways to create different experiences for her. It is just a really amazing technique, nothing like what your typical irritation of the clitoris does. It creates a really profound and enriching and nourishing sexual energy for the woman in a way that no other technique can. By the way, the technique of pressure goes equally well with the finger or with the tongue. You can do it with both. There is a whole spectrum you can do with pressure. Just keeping in contact creates a really amazing feeling of connection. A lot of women really love that. It's a transcendent experience of connection between you. When you then escalate the technique of pressure by using gradually a little bit more pressure and slightly interacting with the clitoris, so it's not just static, but you're slightly interacting with the clitoris under pressure, then you are arousing the clitoris in a completely different way than when you're just irritating it. It becomes really alive, really vibrant, but calm. So there's no craving. It just keeps sending really lovely sexual energy into her, and you can then escalate it in lots of different directions that you want. And at the higher end of it, if you are then progressing to really firm pressure, that can send really strong orgasmic energy into her on and on for as long as you want. So it's the most special technique on the clitoris that I would recommend because it's so versatile. You can do so many things with it, but it just takes a little while to master and for you to become really intuitive and natural with it. The important things here are a good progression, starting with the smallest and progressing gradually to higher pressure. And secondly, not to be too static, too robotic, but to be kind of interacting as a live conversation with the clitoris. Very, very special experience. Once you master this technique, there is very little that you need to add to clitoral stimulation.